Hello dear students, welcome to our lesson again. Today we are going to learn L and I letters and sounds. Let's begin. Our contents are the text, the happy kite. We have some vocabulary words, then grammar, L and I letters and sounds. Then we have some activities. Now dear students, we are going to listen the text, the happy kite. Listen carefully, then we will have some quizzes about this text.
The happy kite.
I'm Twig. This is my sister Daisy. Look, Daisy, a kite. This is my brother Root. Hey, Root, look, a kite. Hello, Mom and Dad. Hello, Grandma and Grandpa. This is my kite. Goodbye.
Answer the following questions according to the text. Dear students, I am sure that you listened to the text carefully. Now we have 4 questions about this text. The first question is, what is the text mainly about? Yes, I can hear you. The text is mainly about the happy kite. D is right. The second question, who is Root? Yes, you are right again. Root is Twig's brother. The third is, who is telling the story? I can hear you. Yes, Twig is telling the story. C is right. The fourth question is, what does Twig say to his mom? Yes, you are right again. He said to his mom, this is my kite. D is right. Well done, dear students. Dear students, we have some vocabulary words. Let's repeat after me. Happy, xoşbəxt. Kite, çərpələng. Munch, çeynəmək, ağzını marçıldatmaq. Lion, şir, aslan. Lemon, limon. Lamp, lampa. Iguana, iguana. Insect, həşərat. The letter L and L sound. Dear students, you can see L letter, but we pronounce it like L sound. For example, lion, lemon, lamp, lollipop. All these words we can see L letters, but we pronounce them like L sound. The letter I and E sound. Dear students, you can see the letter I, but we pronounce it like E sound. For example, 6, iguana, leap, insect. All these words you can see I letter, but we pronounce it like E sound. Activity time. Complete the gaps with I and L letters. Dear students, pause the video, do it, then return, and we will check together. Now, dear students, let's begin to check your activity. The first word is, yes, you are right, iguana. The second word is lemon. The next is 6. Then lamp. Then lime. The next is insect, you are right. Then leap. The next is old. The last is lollipop. Well done, dear students. The second activity. Dear students, match the pictures with the words. Now pause the video, do it, then return to the video. Now, dear students, the first picture is lion, the second is 6, the third is lemon, the fourth is iguana, the fifth is lamp, the next is leap, lollipop, and the last is insect. Well done, dear students. Dear friends, today we have listened the text The Happy Kite and we did some quizzes. Also, we have learned vocabulary words and we have learned L and I letters and sounds and we did some activities. See you next lesson. Goodbye.